Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to add AI cars for our game. So for adding AI cars we can use realistic car controller as well, but the AI cars of standard assets are quite nice, so we will use that AI cars. So for that uh, we can go to standard assets folder here, and then we can go to vehicles and then car, and then we have prefabs. So here we have a prefab of car waypoint paste, so we can just drag drop this car over here. Okay, and now we can modify this car. So if we want to change the mesh of this car, we can just do that. So I will just add this car over here, and then we will change the body mesh of this car. So we have some cars here. I think we have bring the car models in our game. Complete vehicle pack, yeah, this one. So inside prefab we have these cars, so we can change the meshes of this car. So if we place this car, you can see that we have animator controller, mesh collider, we don't need animator, and other things are fine. So we will rotate this car like this, and then we can also use these tires as well, and we can replace the tires of standard car, but for easiness I will just delete these tires. So just select these tires and we can just delete these tires. So now we don't have tires for this car, so now we will just replace the body of the AI car. So select the AI car. I will just rename this car to yellow car AI. So here in sky car we have a car body, so we can just delete this car body, and also we want to delete these components. So now we have only the tires of this car, so that's nice. Also we can delete these lights, but I think lights are fine here. So now we have deleted this car, and now we can just drag drop the model, this model, inside sky car. Okay, so now we can move this model over here on these tires, and we can arrange the car over here. So like this, and we can just rotate the car a little bit, or maybe the rotation is fine. No, rotation is not fine, so we'll rotate the car like this and a little bit more, and then we will again arrange the car like this. So the front tires, first we will adjust the front tires, and then we will reject the back tires. So yeah, front tires are fine now, and okay, so here that's fine. We are happy with front tires, and the back tires are also fine, I think. Yeah, back tires are also in place now, so that's nice. We have adjusted the a first AI car. So here if we play the game, you will see that we have AI car now in our scene. So let's see what will happen. So hopefully this car, because we didn't added the waypoint circuit, so this car will move uh, right in the place, the same place. So let's wait for some seconds. So you can see now that we have an AI car and which is moving in the same place. So yeah, you can see that. Okay, so that we have successfully added the AI car. So what I will do, I will add some more AI cars with the same method, and after creating some AI cars, I think 4-5 cars are enough. 4 cars are enough, so I will add 4 more cars, and then I will show you the method of creating waypoint circuit. So let's pause this video and we will come back. Okay, so I have created some AI cars, and now we can place these cars over here. I just prepared these cars, and we can add these cars just by drag drop like this, and I will just place it with little distance, so every car has some distance in between. So 3, and this is our 4 cars. So I have added 4 cars, and I already showed you the method to customize AI cars. So these cars are now ready, and that's it. Now we have placed these cars. I will just arrange it little bit, and now everything is fine. So now we will create waypoint circuit so that these cars can follow that waypoint. So for creating waypoint, we can first of all we can create a empty object, and we can name it waypoint circuit or any other name, whatever you want to add. I will just add waypoint circuit, and then we will add some cubes inside this game object. So before that, I will just create another game object empty, and I will name it AI cars so that we can hold our AI cars inside this game object, so everything will be organized. So now we will just add some waypoints. So I will just add cube here, and now we can arrange this cube over here on the road. Okay, and you can organize your cubes as per your own roads. So this is cube 1, and then we will start duplicating and arranging these cubes like this, and I will add these cubes little bit to the left side. So if we want to cross any car, then we can do that easily. So like this, we will add cubes in our path like this, and I will resume the video after adding all the cubes around the whole circuit. Okay, so I have added cubes around the road, and you can see that how we can add cubes in our road route. And then what we will do, we will select this waypoint circuit and we will go to standard assets. I'll just minimize this section, and we will go to standard assets, and here we have our scripts inside utility. We have a script waypoint circuit. Okay, so this script we have to attach with this waypoint circuit game object. So we will just drag drop this script over here, and now you can see that we can click on this button assign using all child objects. So now you can see that we have cubes added, and but these cubes are not alphabetically correct. So now you can see that our circuit is not actually behaving correctly. So what we want to we have to do, we will move these objects like this, and after one we should have cube 2 like this, and then we should have cube 3, so that we have to arrange these cubes alphabetically. So I will arrange these cubes, and then we will resume the video. Okay, so now we have arranged these cubes, and now you can see that we have this circuit, and which is absolutely fine. Here these two cubes are behaving badly, so I think we have some mistake over here. We will just select the cube, and this is actually 31 and this is 30. Yeah, so this cube should be here because this is 30th cube, and this cube is 31st cube, I think. Yeah, so we will arrange these cubes like this, and then we are fine to go. So now you can see that our circuit is absolutely fine, and then we have to remove the box colliders from these cubes, because our car will collide with these cubes. So we will select all cubes, and then we can uncheck this box collider option. Also we have to hide the mesh of these cubes, so we will just hide this mesh of this cube. So now our waypoint circuit is ready, and now what we will do, we will select all the cars like this, and in cars we have this option of waypoint, progress tracker and circuit. So we will drag drop this circuit over here. So now we have our cars, and we added the waypoint to our cars. Also the speed of cars is absolutely fine and equal to of these cars, that speed is same for all the cars. So we can change the speed of these cars. So for yellow car, if we the speed, you can see speed over here somewhere. Okay, here it is. So downforce is 100, top speed 140. So for taxi we can decrease the downforce to 80 and 120 maybe. So for this car we can down for 70 and 110, and then for Jeep we can make it 60 maybe. So sorry, here 60 and 90 maybe. So that's nice. Now if we play the game, AI cars will act absolutely fine and they will follow the track. So let's see. Yeah, now you can see that our cars are not moving actually. So yeah, it start moving because little bit of this way is little bit slopey, so that's why they're not getting the right acceleration. So I will just touch this car just for testing purpose, and now you will see that it will move absolutely fine. So what we can do, we can just bring these cars little bit forward so that the slope should be lesser. So these cars, just move these cars a little bit, and for waypoint circuit our Q1 is around here, so we will just move the Q1 little bit as well. So yeah, little bit more. And for cars, we will move these cars a little bit here. And now I think that these cars will act smoothly, hopefully. So let's see what will happen. So let's see, let's play the game. Yeah, now they are moving. Okay, so the speed of this car and the basic acceleration is low, that's why it's not getting the motion. Okay, so for this car we have to increase a little speed, I think. So I will just yeah, it started after some time. So what we can do, we can select all these cars and we can increase the torque as well, but I will just increase the speed here. So 70, and we can increase the torque as well for better performance. So save, and I will just place this car a little bit here, and now all 4 cars will move absolutely fine. So let's see. Yeah, so this car is taking some time, but yeah, initially it's taking some time, but we will fix that as well, and then we will move further and we will finalize this AI system. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you understand how to add AI cars to the game, and I will place it here, and I don't know why it's not moving. Let's check it again. Yeah, there was slope, I think. So yeah, now it's moving absolutely fine. So Okay, so that's it for adding AI cars, and we will add some sounds in next video for AI cars, because now if we select any AI cars, you can see that we have the same sounds for all 3 4 cars, so we can change these sounds as well. So let's do that in next video. Goodbye.